Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're enjoying this black and silver glam tablescape. Now if you'd like to see how the vase and candle holders that you see in this video were created, please go over and visit DIY Design by CCW. I have a link down in the description box how those DIYs were created. Also guys, this video is a part of a collaboration. I am collaborating with the lovely ladies of the Glam Elegant Living Society, and this is the Glam Elegant Living Collab Fall Edition 2021. Now the members of the society are Glam Elegant Living, that is the main host, Petalisbless DIY, iSTYLEMYSTYLE, Antonette Decorating, and DIY Design by CCW, which happens to be my other channel. So again, I've linked all of the ladies' channels down in the description box, as well as the playlist. I hope you will go and visit that playlist today, because you're going to see some beautiful decor. You may see DIYs, you might see tablescapes, you name it, but I promise you, you won't regret it. And again, if you're not a member of this channel, on this channel, I like to do tablescapes, and usually I use DIYs that I've created on my other channel, which is again DIY Design by CCW. So again, check all the links down in the description box, and if you're not a member, I hope you'll decide to subscribe today. I'd love to have you be a member of the family. So, like I say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. Bye-bye.